Hey there everyone, I'm Mania and you are watching Techno Mania. Press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you can be able to get notified of it and you can able to watch it, so you won't gonna miss any of my videos if you really like me that much. But still, press the bell icon, or you can follow me on my Instagram. That's pretty much. So without further ado, let's hop on to the video. When a person starts YouTube and then they start growing, then they tend to notice two things. First, quality matters and quantity too, but quality overpowers the quantity. And the second thing is probably going to be that audio matters way more than the video. So basically, audio is something that a person needs to care about, because if your audio in your video is not good, then no matter how good your visual is, people tends to not like it. And I learned it the hard way, as if you see my old videos, then I tried to make a lot better videos than the audio, because my audio sucks in that. And just because of that, I start growing up my audio game. So basically the thing is that in the audio spectrum is, if you have good audio, then no matter if you have, I can't say no matter, so basically if you have good audio and your video is alright, then you can still make people see the video. But if your video is good, or say medium, but your audio is horrible, then I will say then people don't gonna like it, because audio do a lot of things. It's something that people actually notice more than the visual. So in this video I'm going to unbox and review the Boya BY-M1 lavalier mic that I just recently bought, because I already own this one. If you can able to see, this is a Zoom H1 mic, and I already own a BM condenser mic, so the BM800 one. If I were to ask you, do you want me to always have a mic right on my hand and so I speak onto it and you always have to be seeing this thing? I don't think that you're gonna like it. So I just recently bought this Boya mic, and yeah, this mic is way long than what I imagined. 20 feet long cable, that's a hell lot of a long cable. So I'm going to talk a little about it. So now I'm going to switch over to the Boya mic, and I'll let you decide that how the audio is, because for me I pretty much liked it, but I want you guys to listen to it and give your opinions and think for yourself that you should go for it or not. So let's switch to Boya. So now you're hearing my voice through the Boya lavalier mic, the BY-M1, and as you can see, the audio is not that much good as the Zoom H1 and something that you would expect it. But for something and in a cheap price for 1200 rupees, I will say that this mic is really good. And this also has this little clipper, so you can, if you want to, you can clip on here. But I will say that it only depends on the room you are, because audio actually depends on the room you are in. Since I'm sitting in a room where the voice echo a lot, so I'm just gonna show you. So now you can able to see that my voice is actually echoing in the room. So if I were to make the mic closer to my mouth, then you can able to see that the voice is getting much better. So if I am just going to continuously talk, but I don't want to make the mic too much close to my mouth, because that gonna create a hiss and a lot of sound vibration that gonna make the sound a little bit distorted. So if I were to say this, hey everyone, it totally depends on the frequency that you are speaking in. But if I were to change the direction, and you can say the pointing of the mic, but the lavalier mic actually used in a way that you can actually attach them to your collar. And oh, I actually dropped, sorry for that. So if I were to say that I'm going to speak right now, so I don't think that you're gonna like it. So it totally depends on the way that your mic is. So now as you can see that the voice becomes a little bit more distorted, not that much good as when I had it on my hand. But as you can see that since I am in an echoing room and I don't have any other room to do YouTube, so basically you can able to differ that it totally depends on the room and the type of variance of the room you have. So basically if you have an echoing room, the voice isn't going to be that much great. If you have the mic way far from you, so I will recommend to have the mic in front of your mic. That is the reason that I always use my Zoom H1 in front of my mouth, because if I take it further then it's going to have that cranky noise which I really don't like. So I am just going to take out the Boya M1, and sorry for making you hear the cranky sound. So yeah, this mic is good, but I don't say it's up to the standard. Or you can just literally buy the Zoom H1, which is way good. But if you want a mic to have with you 20 feet away from your subject, then this is something cool. Because sometimes you want to record with a mobile and you want your talent, or you can say the person that you're gonna give this mic to, and they have to speak on it. So yeah, you can able to understand that you need that much long wire. But I won't say that I basically need 20 feet. That's way much for me because I don't usually shoot outside. So now I'm going to switch over to my Zoom H1. So guys, now we are back in Zoom H1. As you can see, the voice is much better now. So I will say that if you want to go for Boya BY-M1, then go for it, but I won't recommend it. But if you don't have the budget, then this mic is pretty good on its budget, because 1200 rupees is pretty good price. But if you want to have a better mic, then I want to say, if you want a lavalier in this case, then I will say go for the Rode Micro. Or if you really want a better mic, then I will say go for Zoom H1, because I will recommend it because it's some amazing mic that I just literally love. So that's pretty much my review of the Boya BY-M1. It's totally your choice, go for it or not, it totally depends on you. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos like this for you. Till then, see you later.